Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to explore the floating tool feature of the BenQ Board Pro RPO5. It's a simple, always available menu that gives you instant access to annotation, screenshots, recordings, and classroom tools right when you need them. By default, the floating tool is always visible on the screen, represented by this icon. Tap to expand it. You can double tap the hand icon to access the floating tool settings. Here, you can disable or enable the always on feature. If you prefer it off, you can always open the floating tool anytime by tapping and holding with 2 fingers anywhere on the screen for a couple of seconds. You can also enable or disable auto minimize, which hides the floating tool while you're annotating. In addition, you can customize the color and transparency to match your preference. Now let's go over the tools available. First, you can use the pen or highlighter to annotate directly on any app or input source. Choose from different colors and thicknesses. By tapping the hand button, you temporarily pause annotation mode to interact with the screen normally, and tap the pen again when you're ready to continue. You also have a laser pointer to help emphasize specific points. Next is the eraser, which offers multiple options: a finger eraser, a strike-through eraser that removes entire strokes, and an erase all function. You'll also find the toolbox, which contains helpful classroom tools such as a calculator, timers, scoreboard, spotlight, and unit converter, among others. Next, you'll notice the new AI button, where you can access some of our AI features. We'll cover this in more details in a separate AI features video. Finally, let's look at the camera button. You can choose to record your screen with audio, so students can focus on the lesson and not on note-taking. You can also freeze the current screen or take a screenshot. When taking a screenshot, you can either frame a specific area or capture the entire screen. Once captured, you can instantly save the image or send it directly to the whiteboard to incorporate it into your lesson or discuss it further. The floating tool ensures that everything you need is always within reach, whether you're annotating, presenting, or bringing up tools to support your lesson in real time. If you want to learn more about the BenQ Board Pro RPO5, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.